As a high-profile trial of Dr. Aafia Siddiqui began in New York, a crowd of protesters arrived from a variety of anti-war and community groups to show their solidarity. Amongst them was Cindy Sheehan, one of the most famous anti-war voices in America.
Free Fahad, free Aafia, free Lynn Stewart, free all political prisoners.
When the trial began, they filled the courtroom, along with many journalists and legal observers. So much so that the court had to establish 2 overflow rooms.
It's not a unity with Dr. Aafia Siddiqui, Fahad Hashmi. It's a unity with Professor Aryan.
Shortly after Dr. Siddiqui, the defendant, entered the courtroom, she engaged in a series of outbursts reflecting her unstable mental condition. "The president needs to talk to me," she shouted. "All I get is negativity. They accuse me of being anti-Semitic. I'm not anti-Semitic, anti-any religion or any race. No," she proclaimed, seemingly in response to recent media reports about her. Although Siddiqui requested that she be allowed to remain in her prison cell, Judge Richard Berman ruled that she should remain at the proceedings to preserve her constitutional right to be present.
Well, first of all, she's one of the few women prisoners that's been caught up in the war on terror and tried by and held under these conditions by the United States. And the minute we heard about this case, we knew that a woman would be treated especially harshly.
Despite the fact that the government has made it clear that they are not charging Siddiqui with any affiliation to any terrorist organization, the evidence they have submitted signifies exactly that. It will be a difficult obstacle for the defense to overcome, especially in a city where every resident is keenly aware of what it means to live in such a target zone. From New York, Pramila Shrivastava.